Tomorrow we're going to the vet.
The vet? Oh no, that's where they poke you with the shiny sticks. I need to disappear. Quietly.
Freedom begins now. Snacks, check. Disguise, check. Butt wiggle for luck, check. Let's roll.
Keep it cool, keep it casual. Just a normal dog. Escaping from danger? Totally normal.
Excuse me, Bird, sir. Which way to freedom?
Cool. Follow the snacks, my friend.
Poor Buddy missed his spa appointment.
Wait, did she say spa? Like massages and bubbles? I messed up.
Turns out adventure is great. But so are belly rubs and bubble baths.